Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a group chat on Google Chat. So if you want to chat with your friends, team or classmate all in one place, in this easy guide, I'll show you how you can create a group chat in Google Chat step by step in under a minute. So what you need to do is just open your Gmail and head to the chat tab in here on the left side of your screen, and you'll see the Google Chat page. So to create a group chat, actually you just need to create a new space. So you can just tap on new chat in here, and there will be this option, create a space. So you can just choose the space name. So for example, I'm going to just write group chat, and in here you can just tap on create. And now you can just add the member to this space or this group chat. Click on add members and choose the person that you want to add into this group chat. Like this, when you are done, you can just tap on add. And just like that, now your group chat has been created. You can start chatting in here. So that's pretty much all. I hope the simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Like if this helped, comment with your questions and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more tech tips and Google how-tos. Bye.